Hi Cancer, welcome back to Omkara Tarot, and it's time for another Love Bite. Cancer, these are general collective readings, will not resonate with all of you. Please keep that in mind, okay? Take what works for you and leave the rest. So let's see Cancer, what wants to show through for you today? My angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for Cancer and send them the messages they need to hear the most right now. Thank you. So Cancer, welcome back all my subscribers. Thank you for being here. And if you're new here, Cancer, we welcome you as well. Do join us, subscribe to the channel, become part of us. We welcome you in. Alright, so the Hermit, King of Wands, Seven of Wands, Eight of Wands, Six of Wands, the Moon, Two of Pentacles, Six of Cups, and the Six of Pentacles. Yes, the Fool in reverse is the underlying energy bottom of my deck. So either somebody's been sitting in their ego and pride, I don't know. Somebody's being quite foolish here, making unwise decisions. It's almost like that peacock quality of me, look at me. Trying to be a bit defensive, keeping secrets, and that's being a bit of a, not a bit, quite a big hindrance to this union. Two of Cups is in reverse, even though it seems like a very good friendship, soulmate connection, the attraction was there, but there has been a lack of equal give and take in this connection. So yes, let's before I start clarifying these cards, Cancer, let me start with some dialogue message cards. Let's see if you guys could say something to each other, what that would be, and then we'll clarify these cards. So Cancer and their person spirit, if they could say something to each other. Okay, let's take a few more from here, Cancer. Cancer and their person, if they could say something. And Cancer, if any of you need a private reading, my email is in the description box below. You can reach me there. Cancer and their person. Alright. Okay, good to go, Cancer. Let's start your reading. The first card here says, you knowingly brought me into a clusterfuck of a situation. I trusted you to do what was right and you let me down. Like I said, somebody feels somebody made a fool out of them. I get so effing jealous knowing that you're in bed with a karmic at night. I feel sick to my stomach at the thought of you in bed with them. It's really insulting when you try and control the situation or withhold information. You're underestimating my intuitive abilities, my connection with the divine, and must be forgetting how connected we are on soul level. You know that I'll always know what's going on because even your higher self tells on you. The love I have for you is a deep reflection of the love I have for myself. I found all the fragmented, broken pieces of myself when I met you. You mirrored my wounds so that I can look deep inside of myself and heal from within. This connection can feel out of balance when I try and reassure or overgive to you. I realize I have to give to myself and that you will then master self-love. I mean, I said that, right? This connection seems a bit unequal give and take. Somebody is probably getting breadcrumbed here. My family doesn't understand our connection. I've told them how I feel about you and tried to explain it, but they have particular ideals and don't understand our spiritual love. Your love makes my day, my week, my month, my year, and my life. Not talking to you absolutely breaks my heart and soul into a billion shattered pieces. I want to reach out to you, but I can't find the right words as I'm feeling so fragile right now. I'm planning a surprise engagement. I want to ask you to marry me. Will you say yes? Walking away from you is the hardest thing I've ever done in my life, and it's my biggest regret. Let's talk and clear the air. I think somebody here really wants to have this conversation now. Cancer, I think they want to feel victorious in this connection again. I really need your warmth and affection. Maybe now they're not getting that attention. This is a person who likes attention all the time, right? Please make time for me. Okay, so Cancer, if these cards are resonating with your story, let's start with an angel blessing card. Let's see how my angels are going to bless this reading with a blessing, guidance, advice, or a message for you, and then we'll clarify these cards, okay? My angels for Cancer, please pray. Cancer, all your prayers are being heard, so don't worry about it. You're not alone. I don't know what you're going through here and with whom, but it's a time to connect to your spiritual side. It's a time to put in your intention, put in your prayers, because each and every word of yours, I think, is being heard and will be reciprocated. So never think that, you're not being heard. So, okay, let's put this card here and let's start with the reading. Hermit Spirit in reverse and the King of Wands. Hermit and the King of Wands. I don't know what this King of Wands did, Cancer, but maybe they were playing the magician. They were trying to pull wool over this feminine's eyes. They never respected this feminine the way she should have been, never grounded this connection, never offered what should have been offered, and made some very unwise and foolish decisions in their life. And now their partner has kind of become upset, angry, and has kind of started distrusting this connection or them. King of Wands, yes, this person never shows their hand, right? They're very unemotional, never really emotionally manipulates people to get their way. They are very passionate, could be good looking, could be very successful in what they do, but it's all about them. And they feel that they can kind of, be that magician who can do whatever they want and get away with it. And in that, way of unwise behavior, they've kind of hurt their partner, who's kind of lost trust for them. And maybe has now barriers up and not talking to them. Yes, this Empress feels that this person is an Emperor in reverse. Now I have the Emperor and the Empress in reverse, right? So this Empress is saying, hey, you knocked me off my throne. I mean, this is not the way you're supposed to treat an Empress. And you have been a false Emperor in my life. You have been controlling. You have been dictating. You've been like a Hitler. And this is not the way an emperor behaves. The emperor is supposed to be just and right and, bring harmony and peace into, their empire. But what did you do? You kind of hurt me. And I don't want to talk to you. So I think communication may have stalled for a bit because the feminine here, I think this Empress who's now has no trust left in this masculine, has kind of put her walls up and keeping herself guarded. Now we have some communication coming in. Eight of Wands, Spirit. Eight of Wands. Now this masculine is getting a bit impatient, but they're still kind of, their pride is still stopping them, I think. They do fear that they've been dropped, they've been released. They have realized that whatever has been done was not right, it wasn't just, and they are on the verge of losing a very strong connection, a soulmate connection, which is the Two of Cups, but unfortunately now in reverse. And this card has come out twice, right? So this person is, as much as they're wanting communication, because they feel that they've been dropped or they've been released, they're getting a bit irritated. This is impatience, but still trying to kind of hold themselves back and because they know whatever they've done has not been right. I don't think they have the words right now to even explain why they did what they did. Then why is the Six of Wands here, Spirit? Six of Wands. Oh, this person is still in very low vibration. My God. As much as they want to show up as, the King of Pentacles, and they want to prove that, they have become able of being that correct person or whatever, and in the heart of hearts, I think they could have already made that choice to be that way, but this low vibration that they're in with their ego, pride, I just want to be seen as right. I'm not going to apologize. I'm not the person who will back down. It's my way or the highway, and just want to win for the sake of winning. This is kind of, I think, stalling them from actually being the person they should be, or maybe heart of hearts want to be. So what's this Moon card, Spirit? What are they hiding? That they want to get unstuck now. They don't like this. They don't want to be left out in the cold. They don't like this feeling that they've been abandoned, or they are getting let go of. Heart of hearts, they don't want things to stall between the two of you, Cancer. That's the secret they're keeping. They don't want to be in limbo anymore. They want some decision to be made. They want to work on this connection, but they are fearing now that their partner has walked away or is walking away, and pride and ego is kind of halting them from coming forward. So, Two of Cups in reverse. Two of Cups in reverse. Somebody is feeling the brunt of this connection leaving. They feel they are losing a very passionate connection. They're seeing maybe their partner now single and abundant and doing well on their own. Heart of hearts, this person doesn't want to shut this chapter. Heart of hearts, I think, whoever this egoistic person is, they can visualize their life with the person who's left and is single now as, this is my 10 of Cups. They want to return. They want to come back. They know this is their person. Even though they are hurt that this connection is now, not doing that well, they do want to come back. Oh yes, it's King of Wands again. But the problem here is this person hasn't really changed. The ego and pride that will not allow them to, kind of, they still have this thing that they don't want to maybe apologize, or they want to skip over, the reasons for why they behaved the way they behaved. They still want to be seen as somebody strong and victorious. They don't want to talk about whatever didn't, go right in this connection. They just want a brand new beginning. They just, let's just start again and, just kind of sweep everything under the rug, because if we start talking about it, my truth will come out and then I'll feel small. This person does want to take action, but not at the cost of their pride, from what I feel. So, Six of Pentacles in reverse. Six of Pentacles in reverse. Six of Pentacles in reverse. There is a lot of love between the two of you, that's for sure. But till there is no balance here, I think this Queen of Cups is kind of withdrawing right now, shutting this cup of love, even though they feel it's so much in their heart. My God, they're saying, is it worth the investment? Like, is it even worth spending any more time, energy, or should I just kind of, give up fighting for this connection? They don't want to be in the stance where they have to fight a battle which will never give them balance, right? So even though I think this Queen of Cups has a big cup of love to offer, I don't think they want to be made a fool once again. Am I right, Spirit? Am I right? Yes, because each time Yes, right now there's distance. You guys are not, I mean, at least the Queen of Cups is not interested in moving towards this masculine because they find this masculine to be very rash, very, creating conflict all the time. Maybe they say or do rude things which this beautiful, sweet Queen of Cups just can't digest. So I think this Queen of Cups is kind of giving up the fight right now to say, hey, I'm not moving towards you because you just fight too much with me. So yes, that's what I have for you, Cancer, at the moment. Till next time then, love and light. Take care. Namaste.